Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin from a different perspective. This is called cycle analysis, and I'm doing this on a weekly chart. This is Bitcoin weekly chart. Each candle is worth of a week price action. Not a lot of people know about this, but I'm sharing it for free. All right, so each price action, Monday to Friday candle, this is done on a long-term analysis, not a daily analysis. So I'm talking about a couple of weeks to months out. So let me show you how this thing works. These white lines here are cycles. Okay, these are weekly cycles here. Okay, that's how I use to analyze Bitcoin's price action. So let's go through it. Let's tell you how this thing works. So this one, where two cycles are intercepting, this is called bottom, and this is top, and then again bottom. Okay, so the idea is Bitcoin will bottom somewhere here and then top somewhere here. Okay, so let's see how it goes. This is weekly chart of Bitcoin futures. All right, so you can see, let's go from here. Let's go a bit far out. So May 2021, couple of years ago, you can see we had a bottom here. So Bitcoin bottomed here, then it went on a cycle, okay? And then again, there was a bullish move. And then again here, this was the bottom again here, okay? So you can see here, September 2021, it bottomed and again pumped. So it topped here on this cycle. And then again, let's keep moving on. You can see it bottomed again here. So this was February 2022. Again, we can see it's following this cycle so nicely. Again, it bottomed in this area around April 2022. Again, it topped and again it bottomed here. This was October last year. In October, we bottomed and now we are here. All right. So where do Bitcoin go from here? In March, you can see March last month, we bottomed here. All right. So now we are here. So what do we expect? There's a lot of period of risk here around July, August this year. So late summer, there's a big period of risk. And now we are in the process of forming a top. All right. So there's a 35K gap. It's very unlikely Bitcoin will go there. So let's forget about this for now. Let's only focus on two parts. Okay. This 31K resistance zone and 20K support zone. All right. So there are gaps around 20K. So I'm expecting this to act as a huge support. And this 31K resistance, if I go back here, I can show you this is weekly. There's a lot of confluence here. Okay, and you see this gap, this was filled. Go watch my videos. I told you guys this gap will fill and it filled perfectly. Okay, so you should have taken opportunity to exit longs and take profits here. All right, so there's this big resistance zone. Let's move in. So you can see what's happening here. So what do I expect from for next couple of months to couple of weeks? Bitcoin should form a topping process here, okay? And then this is the bottom, okay? You should be only looking to sell or take profits. I'm not advising you to put new money here because the upside is very limited, okay? So what can I expect from here? I can expect Bitcoin to form a topping process, okay? So it can go somewhere here. Maybe it already seen the top. It can again retest the top. So I'm expecting a little bit more pump April to May. You can see this is in the middle around May. Early to mid-April to May, I'm expecting a pump and Bitcoin to form a topping process. So it can go anywhere here, okay? And then it's gonna be a very big period of risk in this area, okay? So depending on how far we go in this topping process, if we break this, worst case, which I think is very, very unlikely, it's gonna move here. I think it's already seen top. Maybe it will go slightly in this box here, around 30K zone. And then it will be going to the bottom, okay? It's possible we can find support here, or it's possible we can fill this gap, okay? So what am I telling you? I'm telling you this, okay? Do not put new money here. There's not time to put new money here. You already lost the time period here when I told you guys around 20K buy it. A lot of people bought it. This was the time to buy. This is not time to buy here, okay? This is the time Bitcoin is forming a top, okay? So Bitcoin can chop around here, all right? By the middle of May, late April, it will form a top and then it's gonna dump here, okay? So 20K, my ideal scenario will be this gap to fill, and that's what I will be looking to buy, and then we will be going through another cycle, okay? So this will be the bottom here, depending on where price action is, look to buy here, then we'll be looking for another pump here, okay? So this pump will take you to middle of October or November, okay? So that's my analysis here, and enjoy and have a great weekend.